who are here. Okay, so now we're gonna start the ball rolling. Yes. Thank you. Great stuff. Okay, so because we have new people in the house, we are going to start with our strategy, and then first of all we're going to make it fast, then we slow it down. So the test is for you. If you are here for the first time, I want to test you whether you are going to get it when we do the first example. We are not slowing down. The first example is going to be fast, but let me see if you can catch up. If you can't catch up, we will repeat it again. All right, because I know some of you are like your level is way higher than normal. You are on the stratospheric level, on the stratosphere. Yeah. Cool. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, shall we declare the floor open? Yes, we can. Takalani, you are in Johannesburg, the city of gold, right? City of gold. Lovely city. Okay, my people. We declare the floor open now and trade will begin. Good. Okay. So we have waited for 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes, so we start. All right, so let's begin with Aussie dollar today. We are starting with Aussie dollar. Okay, so here is our box. Okay, that purple thing there is our box, and the box is drawn from 7 to 8 in the morning UK time. Okay, you marry that to what is your broker's time. So for example, my broker is not a UK broker. The time is 2 hours ahead of UK time. So instead of me to draw it 7 to 8, I will draw it 9 to 10 because IC market is 2 hours ahead of that 7 o'clock. So instead of 7, it will be 9. Okay, so we draw the box. Fingers on the buzzer, everybody. Fingers on the buzzer. Right, this is test number 1. I'm sure some people will answer me before I actually put the question because they are so good now. Actually, they don't need me anymore. They know what to do. You know what? Very soon I'm gonna hire some of you as my assistant. So get ready, right? Cool. Right. So fingers on the buzzer, ladies and gentlemen. You know what is coming at you. Okay. If you are new, don't worry about it too much. You get to know it very soon. So now we are here. Candle number 1. Candle number 2. Which is the trigger candle? 1 or 2? Both old and new. Now, both old and new. Which one is the trigger candle? What's the Telegram name? Okay, the Telegram. Okay, I will give you the Telegram. I can surely do that for you, my friend. My good friend, I can definitely do that for you. Okay, that is the Telegram group. Okay, so you can click that Telegram group immediately and join now. Oh, 2 you said, Takalani. Okay, crypto you said 2. Good luck. How are you? You said 2. Muhammadu 2. Dario 2. Okay, Omar 2. Any new person here? Just put any number you wish, 1 or 2. Don't worry if it's wrong or it's right, doesn't matter. You will get to understand it very shortly. Anyone else? Who's hiding? Okay, good. Leah, you're out. Ivan, I have not seen you there. Who says is hiding? You need to tell me. Opang, what is happening? Tony, what's your answer? Adara, what's your answer? Dario, have you answered? Jackie, what's your answer? Maurice, are you saying something? All right, Robert, what are you? I'm gonna call you out. I'll say, who's this man? Who is this man? He's just calling my name. Sorry, you're in my class. I'm the teacher here, so I gotta call your name. All right, joking. All right. I hope you are having fun. Okay. Collins, you haven't answered yet. Blair, what's happening? Okay. Who else is hiding? I'll fish you out. I'm gonna fish you out if you're hiding. Okay, I can see all of you are out now. Good. Come back. Yes. So Mary, Norris, Leah, Kwafo, Opong, Sisanda, the trade guy, good luck, Ikechiku. Okay. Blair, Ivan. Okay, Ivan. Yeah, Ivan, I think, yes. I think you are a veteran now. Confirmed. In black and white, you know, it is confirmed in black and white. You just need to wait for your placard. You know that trophy where they inscribe your name? Like those gold trophy where they inscribe your name? They'll say even, and underneath you see a veteran. Blah! You're back. Good stuff. Excellent. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the hardest question I've ever asked you. So, you know, it's not the hardest question. It's one of the good questions, okay? Okay, so, right. So, you guys said it's number 2. Everybody said number 2. I wonder why everybody said number 2. Was that because it's the right answer? I'm not sure. I'm not so sure. But if you tell me your answer is number 1, I'll say you are wrong. What that means is that number 2 is the correct answer. Ladies and gentlemen, well done to everybody who got it right. Okay, now that we got our trigger candle, now we need to do the needful. What else do we need to do? We need to draw our buy line at the close of that second candle. At the close of this candle number 2, that is where we go short, our sell line. Yeah, short sell line. Okay, and when we do sell from here, for the benefit of new people, we set our stop loss at the top. By the way, this is called SBS. If you don't know what is SBX, ask your friend or phone a friend. You have 3 options. You can phone a friend. You can ask the audience. Who knows what's the third option? Phone a friend, ask the audience who's going to tell me the third option. Yeah. All right. So let's make sure that this line is right at the right place. Okay. So what's the third option? Who knows? Will you spend some time on the line strategy, please? Line strategy. Okay. I'm not seeing the chart, sir. Just a blue screen. Is it? Just a blue screen? No, the line, it should be okay now. Oh, can anybody see the line? Yeah, people can see the line. That's why they said 2, number 2. Okay, this line here. Okay. Okay, Mr. Alex from India, you got it. SBS is called a simple breakout strategy. Simple breakout strategy. That's our strategy tonight. SBS. Okay, you can see. Great. Thank you for that. Right. So we sell from this line, and when we did sell from this line, our stop loss is right over here. As we said, just allow 1 or 2 pips on top of that, and we're going to make our take profit. We're going to measure what our take profit is. The take profit 1, TP1, is the size of this box. And the size of the box today is 14 pips. 14 pips. Okay, you want me to start again? Don't worry, Somali. Don't worry, just keep calm. Keep calm. Rest assured, before you leave tonight, you will understand this strategy. Okay, don't worry about that. So because we are going to repeat it over and over and over again. Okay. What's the line strategy? The line strategy is called simple breakout strategy. I will explain it later on, more detailed. Okay. So now you got into a sell trade here. Your take profit is 14 pips. So now you need to find out whether you make your TP1 or you make your TP2 or more than that. So TP1 is 14 pips. So what we do is when we enter a trade, we are aiming to either make TP1, which is the size of the box. We can do TP2, which is 2 times the size of the box. We can also aim for TP3, which is 3 times the size of the box. TP4, which is 4 times the size of the box, and so on and so forth. The reason why we do that is that we know sometimes we have a runaway price. And if that happens, why do we stop at just TP2? Why don't we go all the way? Because there's no risk anymore. Once you have entered the trade and the market has moved so much in your favor, you can just bring your trade to break even or even move it more. And then all you can do from there on is to cash in the pips. Start counting your numbers, counting the number of pips you are making from the market. So this occasion, let's see what we can do, what we did from here. So we said our TP1 is 14 pips. So as you can see, we made the 14 pips under 20 minutes. Okay, each of these bars or these candles, they are 5 minutes. So 14 pips, we done that. 28 pips, we made 28 pips within an hour. Okay, and what's the final? The final total pips here is 66. So if we are going for 14 pips and you eventually got 66 pips, how many TP is that? Okay. How many TP is that? 66 pips in 14 places. Okay, how many is that? No calculator, please. You must calculate from your head. I'm not looking calculator. You can't see me even if I'm using calculator anyway. 66 pips into 14. So that's 4 TPs. So from here you go TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. You nearly got to TP5. Okay. So you can see from here down here you made 66 pips and your first target is only 14 pips. So you make your first target, your second target, your third target, your fourth target. Each of your target is 14 pips each. Okay. So that is the story of this trade today on this one. Here you are put into a buy trade here if you look, and that buy trade didn't go much in your favor. Let's see, it only go up to 7-8 pips. Okay, so this one will eat your stop loss, probably eat your stop loss. But hey, you've made what? Here you've made 4 TPs and you gave one away. So you are way ahead of profit here. Great stuff. Any question for that? 4 TP, 6 TP, right? Okay, so the Forex Apostle, you were worried about when I didn't respond to your request. Okay, all right. So the Forex Apostle, I'm not sure whether you know about the Telegram channel, but if you don't know yet, the Telegram group has the indicator. The Telegram group has this indicator and the template if you want. So it's the fastest way to get it. All you need to do is, while we are still on this live session, just click the file. When you join the group, click on file and download. So when you click file, look for the file called sessions.mq4 and download it. That's all. It's all yours. Okay. It is very, very so easy. That is, it's as easy as ABC. Then here is it. There is it. That is the Telegram group. So join it now. And then, oh, the volume is small to hear. Why is that? Is that correct? Is the volume too small to hear? Okay, is the volume better now? All right, if the volume is better now, let me know. Okay, I hope the volume is better now. I want people to hear me loud and clear because I'm talking from the head office here, loud and clear. Is it better? Okay. All right, is the volume better? Okay. All right. I've actually cranked up the volume a little bit more. Okay. So please don't let my voice blast your eardrums. If it's too loud, just lower it a little bit. Okay. So this strategy is called Simple Breakout System. Okay. Great stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to move to the next one. Okay, I'm going to move to the next one, which is US dollar Canada. Okay, and I'm going to slow down now because of our new people. Okay, so I'm slowing down. Okay, I am slowing down. Joking, right? Okay, right. So for the benefit of the new people, so this is a box that we draw using an indicator. The indicator is called sessions. So I'm going to show you that indicator now. It's called session indicator. That's the name. As I've said, that indicator is available to you free of charge, but you got to go to the Telegram group and get it there. You have to join that group and get that indicator there. So when you open up the indicator, it has 3 sessions. You can configure 3 sessions. You can configure the Asian section, you can configure the Europe session, and then you can configure the US session. Okay, so for our purpose of this training, we focus on the Europe session. Okay, Europe begin, Euro end. So you put the time that you think, the time that we are using to draw our box. So we are drawing our box between the hours of 9 and 10. That is, if you are using IC market. If you are not using IC market, you need to find what is the hour of 7 to 8, because 7 to 8 is the official time in GMT or in UK time. Then you need to know what that means for your broker. Okay, majority of people that use IC market is 9 to 10. Hot Forest might be different, other brokers might be different, so find out. So you see the first Asian session, we represent the color with nothing, so we don't want it to show on the chart, so we set the color to nothing. The Europe session, we set the color to purple. That was why you can see the purple here. The US session, we set the color to nothing as well, because we don't want to see it on the chart yet. So the only color we want to see, or the only session we want to see, is Europe session. Okay, that's what the indicator is all about. Towards the end of it, we don't want to show the price on the chart, and that's it, nothing else. Okay, so once you set it up like that, what else do you need to do? Now you need to be looking for what we call the breakout candle or the trigger candle. The trigger candle will be your first candle after the box that is formed completely outside. You know, these 2 lines, this is the high of the 1 hour, this is the low of that 1 hour between 7 and 8 GMT or between 9 and 10 IC market time. So that's the 1 hour session. So the box that form outside of it, the first one is what we are looking for. If you look at these 4 candles, they are touching the lines. They never come out of it completely. If you look at this candle, it's also touching the line. It's never completely out. Similar to this one as well. This one actually fell back inside. This next candle is, part of it is outside, majority of it is inside. The next candle, you see, it seems to be outside, but part of the wick is inside. So all this candle didn't qualify because they are not completely detached. So we are looking for a candle that is completely outside without touching the line. And where do we find that candle? This is the first one we find. You must go with the first one that you find. So this is the second one, this is the third one, and so on and so forth. But we are only interested in the first one we find, that is outside of the box and is not touching the line. Hence, we find our buy position. So this is our buy position, or our trigger candle. That case, we are going to buy at the close of that candle. So that's where the candle closes. So we're going to buy from there. I hope we understand it. I hope everybody gets this one now, especially the new people. So we buy from there and we set our stop loss below this line. Okay, this is our stop loss below this line here, maybe 1 or 2 pips below it. Our take profit target is the size of this box. So we measure the size of the box and we say the size of this box is really relatively small. It's 12 pips. So the size of this box is 12 pips. So that means our TP1 is 12 pips. Our TP2 will be 24 pips. Our TP3 will be 36 pips. TP4 will be 48 pips. TP5 will be 60 pips. If you go up to TP5. Alright, so let's see how many TP we're now able to get from here. So we measure from where we enter the buy position to the end of it. We got 40, actually look at that, 50 pips, and that's 12 multiplied by 5. Oh no, 12 times 4, so that's 48. So we got TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. We did well, don't we? Yeah. So we got all this, right? Right. So okay, let's look at it again. No. So if you go long here, if you go long here, because we see the price reverse against us, let's do it properly. If we went long here, okay, we got up to 14 pips. We got our TP1 here, quite all right. So you got your TP1 here, you are out, and now here you got another opportunity to go long again. So we look at this candle, it looks like this 3 candle. This one touched the line, this one touched the line. Even this long big candle also touches the line. But the first candle that is outside of the line is this bearish candle. So with that bearish candle, you go long again. Remember, you have closed one position just now with TP1. Then you go long again, you are looking for 14 pips. 14 pips. Did we get 14 pips? We got 30. We got 40 pips. So that's 14 multiplied by 2. 28. Okay? Because 14 multiplied by 3 will be 42. So we didn't get up to 42. So we got TP1 and TP2 here. Okay? So you got, first of all, you got 1 profit out. You got 2 profits out. Then let's see what happened after that. Well, from there, you may have gone into a trade here, which will probably stop you out, and that's it for the day. So you got take profit 3 times and 1 stop loss 1 time. So cumulatively, you are you have 2 profits in the basket. All right. Any question, anybody? Any question, anybody? Yes, Christopher, you are part of your Telegram group and have been helping people out. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, yes, I see Christopher Jones. Okay, good. Thank you for that. We need people like you on the group. So thank you for helping other people out. So let's keep it simple. Just focus only on the simple breakout strategy in the Telegram group. So we don't want to introduce too much into it because it will become confusing, and different strategy will be flying everywhere. So we say let's focus on that strategy only. Oh, Omar, using this strategy, you are able to build $3 account to $12 as per today from 27th of May. Oh, congratulations. That is 3 multiplied by 4. That's 4 times of your account size. Assuming you have 1,000 accounts, $1,000. Hey, what are you looking at? What will you be looking at if you have $1,000? Yeah, good stuff. All right. If you okay. Right. Okay, so what is this strategy? This strategy is called simple breakout strategy. Okay, simple breakout strategy. And what it does is we just draw a box between 7 and 8 GMT, and then we look for a candle that breaks out of that box. If it breaks on the upside, we trade long. If it breaks on the low side, we trade short. Okay, great. So let's look one more. New Zealand. Okay, let's do one more. Fingers on the buzzer now. Fingers on the buzzer now. Okay, especially the new people, you got to answer this question now. Okay, which one is your trigger candle? I'm going to give you 3 answers, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, which one is your trigger candle? Candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3. Okay, 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3. Candle 1, 2, or 3. Which one? One, 2, or 3. Which one is it? Okay, number 3, number 3, number 3. Number 3. Okay, number 3. Great stuff. Looks like we all got it right. We got it right. Let's check. So number 1 is touching. It's touching the line. Number 2 is touching the line. The first one that does not touch the line is number 3. So that is our trigger candle, and we are selling from there. Good. We are selling from this. At the close of this candle, we are selling. Okay, so we are selling right there at the close of that candle. And once we sell, we know that our take profit target is right in the size of this box. That's our take profit target. Our stop loss is at the high line. This high line is our stop loss. So now let's measure what is our take profit target. Very small today. Very small. 8.5, 9 pips. Okay, 9 pips is our target for New Zealand US dollar. Let's see if we hit that 9 pips. We actually did hit 29 pips. Okay, and we're looking for 9 pips. So that means we hit our TP1, 2, and 3. So TP1, 2, and 3 on this trade. Right from here, let's measure again. Right from here. Yes, so we have TP1, 2, and 3. Here we cannot call this one a trade because it hasn't gone into the box. If we are going to do re-entry, we want it to go in a box and come out again, then we do re-entry. Okay, so now this is another entry for us. It went out of the box and give us another trade here. This candle, let me make it bigger. Okay, so it came out of the box again, this candle is still touching the line, but look at that hammer candle, this little hammer, bullish hammer candle. You see it's not touching the line. At the close of it is another trade, and still we are looking for 9 pips from here. Did we get 9 pips? We got double. We got 18, 19 pips. So now you got your TP 1, 2 and 3 earlier. Now you got TP 1 and 2 again here. And that is the story of today. So for this currency pair today, you have made 5 TPs. On this occasion, you make TP 1, 2 and 3. On this occasion, you make TP 1 and 2. So 5, no stop loss hits. Great! Now it's your time. Now it's your turn now to tell me what you want. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. Fingers on the buzzer. Okay? Fingers on the buzzer. Anybody? Fingers on the buzzer. So what do you want to see? What do you want to see? Ladies and gentlemen, what do you want to see? What do you want to see? Okay, somebody wants to see pound dollar. Okay, you pound dollar. All right. Major pair, if you want specific focus on. Okay. Can you please check USD JPY? It hit me left and right. Okay, let's see. USD JPY hit you left and right. Sorry about that. Left and right. Tell me, why did it hit you left and right? It could. Yeah, it could hit you left and right. Let's put our mark on it. Let's put the mark on it. Right, let's make this bigger one. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's study GPP, USD JPY. And let's see why did it do that? Okay. All right, that's true. It hit you left and right. That's correct. So initially you went long here. Okay, let's analyze it, bro. Let's analyze it. So you went, okay, let me expand it so everybody can see that. Okay. Okay, so this is it. Okay, let's make it on. Okay, so now you went, this is the candle. This candle is the breakout candle. Come on. What's that? Okay. So this is the breakout candle. That is our trigger candle. So at the close of that candle, you will go long. As the first candle here is touching the line, the second candle is touching the line, but this one does not touch the line, right? So at the close of that candle, you went long. Okay, let me change the size. You went long there. Okay, so you went long there. Okay. At this point you went long. Okay, let's see how many pips we were able to get here. Okay, people on the chat knows my philosophy about when to come out of the market if it's not going in your favor. Okay, so now you only got 4 pips, right? So you are still going to be in this market, and probably, as you said rightly, it hits you at your stop loss here. Well, unfortunately, it happens today on this one. And probably, yes, true, you will go short again here. I will hit you left and right. That's correct. But that's not the end of the story. Did you make this other one going up? Because if you do, in fact, the same level here is your buy price, where you buy from. So you buy from this candle here, or probably maybe, okay, that candle is touching. So let's move it to the next candle here. Is the one that's completely outside the box. And you are looking for, what's the number of pips you are looking for? You are looking for 14 pips. Now, did we get 14 pips from here? Did we get 14 pips? Yes, this is 18, 19 pips. So at least we managed TP1 once. Okay, did you get that yourself? Did you manage TP1? Okay, so That is USD Japanese yen. Who else wants to see what? Okay, Flanders. You want to see DE30. Okay, Flanders wants to see DE30. All right, let's check DE30. DE30, where are you? DE30. Here we go, DE30. Okay. And what's happened to the DE30 today is flying. DE30 flown like a balloon. It flew like a balloon. Anyone that trade this one will just be smiling to the bank. Okay. DE30. There we go. DE30. There we go. All right. Azubike. Okay. The session indicator is actually on the Telegram group. If you want it, please join the group and you can download it for free. Okay. Right. So now, fingers on the buzzer. Let's quickly check this, especially new people. Tell me which one is your trigger candle. Okay. we got candle all over the place. Did we get trigger into this trade here or this trade here? Anyone that thinks we got into trade here or here? Anyone? Hello, Collins. Okay. All right. So, do we get triggered into trade here or here? Anybody? Did we get triggered into a sell trade at these two areas? Not at all. Not a chance. Not a chance. No. Because that candle is still touching the line. Yeah. So there's no trade here. Okay. So our first trigger trade is actually, I won't tell you. Fingers on the buzzer. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Which one is the trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Anybody? 1, 2, or 3? Which one is the trigger candle? Tell me. Don't worry, Collins. I muted it, so I'm back now. Okay. Yeah. I deliberately muted it. Okay. So number 2, everybody's. Who is this? Kwan. Hello, Kwan. Are you new, Kwan? Are you new? Okay. No, Sun is back. Sun should be back. Sun is back, Takalani. Sun is back. You know those brokers, they try to mess around with us, but they failed miserably. They failed big time. They failed big time. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are all correct, because number 1 candle is touching the line and number 2 is free of the line. So number 2 is our trigger candle. Number 3 is not, because it's not the first one that meets the criteria. Okay. So we're looking only the first one that meets the criteria. Yeah. You are invited to eat with me. We got one soothsayer, Takalani. Takalani, that's Sangoma that told you that. Sangoma, yeah? Jeez. I like Takalani. Oh my goodness. You crack me up. So you got CCTV in my house. Is that what you're saying? Yeah? You got CCTV that was watching me. Yeah? Funny guy. You're really funny. Great stuff. Okay, so we agree that number two is our trigger point. So we put our candle there, we put our buy line there. Yeah, all right. So we put our trigger line there, and so from here we go buy, right? And when we go buy here, we put our stop loss below here, and we're looking for how many pips? We're looking for 51. Let's just call it 52 pips. Yeah, the way they measure this one is in 3 digits, so let's just round it up to 2 digits. 51 pips. Shall I be measuring this? Because this is just too much. Look at your TP1 and look at what it's giving you. That's extraordinary. Okay, let's just measure it just for fun. Okay, for the fun of it, let's see how many is there. Okay, we got up to 417. Okay, but you're only looking for 50 and you got 417. So to me, 50 times 8 is 400. So you got TP1 to TP8. Well, maybe somebody can get all those with the benefit of hindsight. He can set his target to TP8. Great stuff. Excellent. Okay, who want to see something else? Captain is back. Okay. All right. Who wants to see something else? All right. Okay. Flanders. Okay. You know what I'm going to do now? Because Flanders is asking questions. So I'm going to show you what my website look like. And actually, it's going to be ready for you very soon. I could just show you, but I would say it's still under development. It's still under development, so it's not ready yet. All right, let me show you what it looks like for now, because I see the interest is there, and because of that, it's good to let people know. So it is. Let me go there. Okay, let me show you quickly because Flanders want to see it. Flanders want to see it. Okay. Flanders want to see it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, this is how the website looks like. That's it. So when you get there, you know that I am the one that is there. And what are you going to do? It's all about mentorship. It's all about mentorship. Okay, so when you log in there, it's a lovely dashboard inside it. So you got different things that you can do inside it. It's marvelous. So I will demonstrate it to you next time. But this is how the home page is looking like. You will get a training videos. Inside it, you have a blog, FAQ question, you have a store, and also when you log in actually as a student, you are going to get a fantastic insight into what is going on, right? So it's a brilliant place. So maybe I could just show you some kind of what you will see if you get in there. Okay, let me log in to read. This is what you're gonna see. Okay, something like that. Okay, so you're gonna have a beautiful dashboard, your profile, you're gonna have your reward program, your resources all loaded for you. Under here you have your videos, you have your available resources, you have your training videos. So I will demonstrate this to you in due course. Okay, so that's how it's going to look. It's all about mentorship. You have opportunity to book a session with me for how long you want. This is the mentor. I'm the mentor there. You book your session with me. You had your one-to-one session if you like, and then it's going to be recorded and saved under your profile. So I hope you like it. I hope you like it. Any question? Any question? All right, Flanders, thank you for that. I use trailing stop. Yeah, so that's what I just showed you. You install, let's see your website, you install the sessions with arrow, but it's not showing on the charts. Okay, good stuff. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, thank you so much, Flanders. So that is the inside of it. It's lovely, and you got quite a lot to do there. It's fantastic. So now let's see, what else do you want to do? What else do you want to do today? What else do you want to do? Oh my, yes. I'm sure when this thing open, oh man, whoever that is able to get in first, is gonna have loads of fun there. You know, you're gonna get hold of me. All right, I'm gonna be your mentor, and you're gonna see me one-to-one. You know, it's gonna be video. You and me, we're gonna talk about your trade. You're gonna tell me your history, where you are coming from, what are the challenges you are facing, you know, what are the ups and downs. So when I look at your history, I'll be able to, you know, tailor-made and give you something that will work for you. You know, it's not a one size fits all. That's the problem we have in Forex. One strategy can work for one person, but the same strategy may not work for the second person. So how do we square that? How do you know which strategy work for who? So that is my job, and that's what I'm going to do with you. All right, thank you so much for that. Nikkei, you want to see Nikkei? Nikkei. Your favorite one, right? Okay, let's go for Nikkei. Nikkei, where is the Nikkei? Usually Nikkei is always hiding somewhere. Yes, we got it there. We got Nikkei there, always hiding somewhere. Okay, so Nikkei today also performed brilliantly. Okay, so let's see what happened to Nikkei today. Nikkei here. Oh, no. You remember, for Nikkei we don't use Europe for it. We use Asian session for it. So what we are going to do here, we're going to change our timing. Okay, we're going to change our timing for Asian session, which is 2 to 3. So because of that, we're going to make this now some color. Let's call it green color, whatever. So green color for Asian session. Okay, now we now go and look properly. Yeah, so this is the Nikkei for Asian session. Yeah, so if you had gone into that trade, we already have 2 lines anyway, so we don't need the third one. Okay, so let me add the second one there, and one here. Okay, so this is the 2 lines. So today, Nikkei, you will have gone short here. Probably you might have got a TP1, probably here, because it gave you a good entry price. You see, your entry price is very good. Your entry price was right somewhere around there. Let me make this smaller. So your entry price is actually at the close of this third candle there. That's your entry price. Let's see what you are looking for. You are looking for 200. You're looking for 200. And from your entry, how many do you get? from your entry from that line. How many did you get? Oh, you're not close to 200, not close. It's just 100 and something. Anyway, so you make some pips there. See, it worked very well for Europe today, Europe session. No, actually no. Okay, for Europe session. Well, so that's what happened for Naked today. Anybody else? So we've seen JP 225. Remember 2 to 3. Yes, I've just done that. 2 to 3. Yes. Anybody wants to see anything else? Anybody? Anything else? Okay. Yesterday we did 3 sessions. We did American session as well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I told you that for you to get this indicator, this session indicator, you will have to go to the Telegram group. That is the link to the Telegram group. So sign up now and you can download the indicator for free. Okay. Okay, anybody wants to see anything else? Let me see who's asking for what. Who is asking for what? TP 1000. DE30. I think we've seen DE30 already. Yeah, we've seen DE30. We've seen USD Japanese yen. GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY. Let's do that. GBP JPY. Where are you? GBP JPY. Ah, it's right there. You're right there. Okay, we got here. Okay, is this today? Let's see. Is this today? Yeah, this is today. Okay. Looks to be good for JPY, GBP JPY, because the trade did not trigger into a wrong direction. Okay, so here we did not trigger into any trade, but we got triggered into a trade here. Okay, here it must be break even. So because if you enter here and you secure some pips, you don't allow that pip to become negative. Never ever. So you got in here at the close of that candle and you were able to make how many pips? Obviously more than, actually you make 20 pips. House, will you allow 20 pips profit to become a stop loss? Will you allow a 20 pips profit to reverse, go back to your entry position and then go to this line and keep on going until you hit your stop loss? Will you be watching it? I know what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna watch it. I'm gonna kill it. I say, nah, you're not gonna ruin my account. Get off. Bad trade. So now that I make 20 pips here and it reverses against me, yes, I will say enough is enough. I'll come out at break even. That is the worst case scenario. I will come out at break even. I won't let it go to here and go and hit my stop. In fact, I'll be waiting for like over 2 hours to go and hit my stop loss. Why will I be waiting to hit my stop loss? Am I crazy or something? No way. You can't hit my stop loss. I will stop you before you stop me. I will stop it before you stop me. I will kill that trade. So I'll give the trade because here I've made 20 pips. And my target, let me see what my target was. All right. My target was 35 pips, or what was this? 31 pips. And I've made 20 pips out of 31. Okay, I'm not out yet. And it started to come against me. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. It got back to my entry position. Ladies and gentlemen, I say, look, enough is enough. I'll trade next time. I'm out of here with no win, no loss. Break even. We shake hands. Deal. But someone will wait until after 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours, and then you go and hit minus what? Jeez. Let's see, minus what is gonna hit. If you allow it to go that way, then go and hit minus 52 pips. Gee, from plus 20 to minus 52. That is not good, right? So GBP JPY, it gives you another opportunity. I think, yes, I think here, because this little candle is not touching, there's a little gap in between there. So you are looking for 31 pips. Did we get 31 pips from here? 31 pips. Yes, we got 33, 34. Okay, so we got our TP1 out here. You got a break-even trade. Great stuff. All right, can we draw the lines without the indicator? Yes, you can. You can draw the line without the indicator. Okay, so there's a manual way to do it. If you want to do it manually, it's very simple. I think I demonstrated it yesterday. Let me demonstrate it again. Let's open this one. Let's open chart window. This is Australian dollar. Let me take away all this grid. Okay, so this is 1 hour. So let's make it a candle. Make it a candle. So the hour we are looking for, if your IC market is 9 to 10, so that is 10 o'clock. So let me put on the data window so you can see. We're looking for 10 o'clock today. Today is 3rd. Okay, this is 3rd. We're looking for 10 o'clock. Keep looking at this place. Keep looking at the data window. 10 o'clock, where are you? 10 o'clock. Oh, come on. Okay, this is 3. All right. So this is 10 o'clock. Is this on? This is 10 o'clock. So this is the 10 o'clock. So on this 10 o'clock candle, you draw 2 lines. You draw the high and the low of that 1 hour candle. That's our big candle we're looking for. 1 hour. So if you want to do it manually, this is the way to do it. You don't actually need that indicator for whatsoever reason. You don't need it. So you pick a line, you draw one at the high of that 1 hour candle, of that 10 o'clock candle, IC market, or 8 o'clock GMT. Then you draw low of that candle. Okay, so that's the hour we are looking at. 10 o'clock. That's the hour we are looking at. So once you draw it on 1 hour, you can now go back to 5 minutes and start looking for a candle that will break out of that zone. Okay, so we now go back to 5 minutes. All right, let me squash it a little bit to make sense. Okay, so now let's say this is today. Okay, so this is today. Okay, now this is today. We don't know where that 9 o'clock. Okay, the 9 o'clock is somewhere around around here. That's it. 8:50. Okay, that's 9 to 10 thereabout. Okay, so you draw your 1 hour on the 1 hour time frame, and you come to 5 minutes to check it out. Okay, that is it. Okay, let's see, that's 9:55, 10 o'clock, 9 to 10. Yes, so the 9 to 10. Yeah, so that's it. Any question? It's hard to follow when it's live. To open multiple trades and small profits. Well, is anything easy in life? There's nothing so easy in life, my friend. We got to do what it takes. So you have to choose some pairs that you will be focusing on. Some people focus on the majors like Euro dollar, pound dollar, USD chef, US card, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and some people will focus on GBP pairs, GBP Japan, GBP Australia, GBP card, GBP New Zealand, Euro GBP. They focus on that group. Some people will go into the Asia market or indices and focus on Dutch Mark 30. They focus on US 30 or US 500 or JP 225. That's in that group. Some people go to commodities, metals. They go into gold, they look at silver, and some people might even go into Bitcoin. So you can figure out which area you want to focus on. It's not going to be easy to do all 28 pairs or do everything that is available on your broker's platform. So just pick and choose. Okay. Any more questions? Okay. So if you have not joined the Telegram group, this is your chance. We have veterans on the house, veterans in the house to answer your question. And the indicator is there. You can download the indicator. If you have a new indicator, we post it there as well. So click and join, okay? Any more questions? Because the shop is about to be closed. You only trade the USD Japanese yen. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, if it works for you, that's fine. Fantastic. Yes, so if you use IC Market, your time will be 9 to 10. IC Market 9 to 10. Okay? IC Market is 9 to 10. 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning. Yes, just plus or minus 2 pips thereabout to avoid the lines. Okay? Is variable. It's your choice. You might not even leave anything, but if you feel safer to leave 2 pips, that's fine. Okay. All right. Okay, Omar, you're looking forward to the gifts. Okay. Okay. All right. On Telegram group, chat me up, and I will sort you out. I will sort you out. Okay, can you see that? Telegram group 577 members. Jeez, we hitting the road hard, man. When did we start? We start very a few weeks ago, and we're already 577. That's great achievement. Thank you to everyone that is on the channel. All the veterans, well done. What's your question, Godfather of Goodness? What's your question? How to draw the line without indicator? I've just demonstrated that. Okay. Any more question? Forex SBS group, here we go. We're gonna rock the forex market. Yeah. I'm sure if we all go to one broker, they might say, oh, look at these people, let's block them. Why are they making money? Okay, good man. Thank you so much, everybody, tonight. It's been fantastic pleasure to work with you. Anybody else with any question? You caught a video where you explain about drawing the line, and another video to put the indicator and put it on the Telegram. Yes. So, are you on the Telegram, Chakalani? I'm sure you are. If you are not, go there on the Telegram. Okay? We have a lot of people on the Telegram, very experienced guys. Some have their own business. They are running their own business already. So, I mean, when you get to the Telegram group, you know that we are not all just learners or intermediate. We have experienced people. And I do respect everybody. Whether you are beginner or you are intermediate or experienced, I respect everybody. All I ask is that we keep it to SBS strategy only. Because if we start mixing it with other strategy, we all get confused and we don't know what we are doing. Once we keep it to the same strategy, we discuss it at length, I mean, so be it. And everybody make money. It's a win-win situation. I mean, if you go there, you see a lot of testimonies of people making money. You see screenshots of what people achieve on a daily basis. And not only that, every morning I will come on the Telegram channel or Tube group to post the chart. I will post the first chart to give you exactly where your box must be. So you will see my chart and you will see where the box is. All you need to do at the time is to look at your own chart and place your box exactly on the same spot. And I will do this right at 8 o'clock. Once the box is complete, you will see my chart. So that's another reason for you to come on the group. Okay? Who's saying something? Who's saying something? Demi! Demi is here. Oh, Demi says we get to 10,000. Okay, Demi and Flanders, you want to get to 10,000? Huh? Oh, Takalani. Yes. Kwan. Okay, so Godfather, yes, watch yesterday's as well video. I explained it very succinctly yesterday as well. Okay, yes, Muhammadu, you are saying there's another strategy for 55 minutes. Yes, it's completely different from this one. Okay, let me quickly show you that because it looks like some people are a bit confused. Let me quickly show you that. So if I go to my YouTube channel, okay, you go to the YouTube channel, you see my face there. So if I go to my channel, there's so many videos on this strategy at the moment, so you have to scroll down a little bit. Okay, now this is the one that you are referring to. This is the one you are referring to. This is called intraday breakout strategy. Intraday breakout strategy. This strategy is for Asian session and it's different from the simple breakout. The difference is that the Asian session is longer. It's not 1 hour. It's a longer number of hours that we use, and also we implement a filter. We use SMA, I believe, 55 to filter the Asian session. One of the reasons is because Asian session has a low volatility range. So it's a very quiet market. You can easily be moved into a wrong trade. There is no momentum. It's always quiet in the Asian session, especially with currency pairs. So this strategy is different from the SBS. It's a complete standalone as well. If you go to my channel, you can have a look. Although I've muted the sound, so let me quickly show you. Come on, too many adverts, too many adverts. Why? Skip. All right, good. In fact, it's good to be here. You all guys can see it now. So this is a completely different strategy. Okay, you can see. On this occasion, we are using Asian session, and I think this is 1 hour. I think it's an hour candle. Probably, I have to check that. So, and on that strategy for the intraday strategy, you use MA 55 because you are dealing with a low volatility market. In fact, the range sometimes in Asian session could be 7 pips. It could be 10 pips, it could be less, or it could be higher sometime as well. But generally, they have a low range compared to Europe or compared to America. I hope you understand that, okay? So let's come back home. Let's come back to what we understand. Yes. I hope you get it. Oh, okay, yes, it's 1 hour. Yes, that's right. So, okay, so it's also 1 hour. Okay, so because of the volatility of the Asian session, we use a filter of moving average. For the SBS, we are using Europe session. It's not volatile. and we don't actually need to, because if you do with moving average, we might be shooting ourselves in the foot. We might be shooting ourselves in the foot because there may be good traits that we are ignoring because of that filtering. But it is necessary we do that filtering for Asian. Good. I hope you understand who asked the question. It's a very good question. Yes, Muhammadu. Yeah, it's a very good question. I hope you understand it. Yeah? Excellent. I wanted to go about an hour ago, but I didn't want to go again. I didn't want to go again. Right. What about super trend strategy? Fabulous. Fabulous. That super trend strategy is a trend trading strategy. So it's very good. A lot of people are raving about it. They're telling me how great they have made. I mean, just go to the channel and read a lot of comments about people using it. It's very good. Yes, 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 yes. Fantastic. Good. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have not joined the Telegram group, you are missing out completely. Because we're going to make some announcement very soon, and probably you're going to hear it first on the Telegram group and probably on this live session as well. So you better get connected. Better get connected. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. You've been fantastic tonight. The market has been good as well. So let's keep it simple. We don't need to complicate anything, you know. We don't need 20 indicators on the chart, you know. You can add moving average, add indicator, oscillator, volume, in trend and everything, and then you can't read the numbers again. 579 members. So let's make it 600 tonight. Yeah, go and invite somebody you love. Somebody you love, go and invite them. Say, look, something is happening on this Telegram channel. Bring your friends, anyone that you know trade forex, trade cryptocurrency, trade anything that has to do with trading. Bring them on. Bring them on, you know. People are there. We have a lot of experienced people. They will put you on. Today I see a lot of good questions from people who are joining for the first time. Things like, which broker should I use? When is a trend going to end? How do I know we are in trend? How do I know it's a range market? Should I trade Asian session or should I trade US session? All those questions will be answered. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much once again. Also, the strategy with ATR. Oh yes, the ATR is one of the best as for now. In fact, you can use ATR in conjunction with SBS. I've not even linked them together. So if you want me to link them together, we can do that next time. Okay, I'll show you precisely how you can milk the market, you know. Let me see if I have that here. I'll just quickly show you if I have it here, but I doubt if I have it. Insert indicators. Let's see if I have that indicator here. ATR. No, I don't have it on this particular platform, but I'll show you how you can use that ATR stop indicator to milk. So, you know, we're talking of TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5 to 8. If you get such opportunity, yeah, ATR will give you fantastic place to exit. It will make the cow dry. Oh man, but come to think about it, if you make the cow dry, will the cow be happy? No, will the cow be happy? Yeah. Yeah. So good people. So let's enjoy the ride. Well, let's enjoy the ride. I could see our number on this live session is still going up. The number is going up, and we want to close the shop. Yes, I know the strategy you are talking about. Let me show you. Hold on, let me show you that strategy you are talking about. Let me show you that strategy you are talking about. It's a fantastic strategy. Trend trading strategy. That's the strategy you are talking about. That's the strategy you are talking about. That's the strategy. Let me exit here. Okay.
Well,
so
today we want to tackle.
That's the strategy you are talking about. Let me go to where you might. Let me just show you the screenshots.
Questions. And one trader won the.
Let me show you the screenshots.
So all these 5 assets.
Right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. What are you looking at? Who knows what this indicator is called? Who knows what this indicator is called? Who knows it? Tell me without looking. Let me see who is a great trader here. Let me see, experienced trader. Okay, now it's time for you to earn your veteran badge. So if you are looking to earn your veteran badge, here is your opportunity. Once in a lifetime opportunity to earn your veteran badge. What indicator is on the screen? Tell me. Hello, Demi. So me and you, Demi, we are going to form a comedy partnership. Comedy partnership. Comedy partnership. All right, Flanders, super trend. Robert, super trend. Great stuff. Super trend. Colin, super trend. It is yours. Super trend. That's it. So you remember when we were looking at? I think it was what was that pair that went up to TP8? I think it was JP225 thereabout, maybe JPP225 or something else like that. And then we were going on and on and on and on and on and on. So this is what this super trend, or another name for it is ATR stop. I have the ATR stop, which is exactly the same thing as the super trend. So it can trail your position for you. Okay, you don't need to worry yourself even moving it. So you see, anytime it rests, anytime you see a flat line, that is when to put your trailing stop. Okay, you put your trailing stop here, trailing stop there. You just keep following the market, keep following the back, keep trailing it, keep trailing it, keep trailing it, trailing it. Even when the market is here, your trailing stop is here, and finally you come out here. Ladies and gentlemen, you milk the cow dry. Yes, okay, so it's DE30. Yes, DE30. So you milk DE30 dry completely, because you don't know when it's going to dry anyway. All you can do is milk it and milk it. If you use TP1 and 2, you haven't milk it dry. If you use TP1, 2, 3 and 4, you haven't milked it dry. If you use TP1, 2, 3 and 5 and 6, it's not dry completely. But if you put this man here, this one I call the super trend, or another name for it is ATR stop, it's going to milk it completely dry for you, and that cow will fall down. That cow is going to lie on the floor and say, oh my goodness, who is this? Whose farmer is this? Man, I'm not going to like this farmer anymore. I'm not liking this guy anymore. It milks me dry. Sure. Yes, you can do that on because it's not on this platform right now, but you can apply it to DAX. So we might check that out maybe tomorrow or something when I put it on this particular platform. So if you put it on DAX, you see it work magic on DAX today. On DAX, you will actually follow it to the end. But I always tell people, I always tell my students, this is not the whole picture. This is just one a good time, okay? There are going to be lots of time when it is not going to look like this. This is a picture perfect. You are going to get time when there will be a lot of ranging markets, and this super trend or the ATR stop will be in and out very quickly. So we wouldn't say every time we get things like this, but if you have it in one of your trading tools, and you already see DE today is going TP 1 and 2, I say, oh my God, is it going to be one of those days? Is it going to be one of those days? Let's see how super trend will perform. So you just put super trend, and it will help you out. Good stuff. Okay, start 581 already. Oh gee, I mean, we're gonna hit 600 tonight. Who is gonna push out to 600 tonight? Yeah. Anybody? Can you imagine when we start? Let me show you again. When we go into Trade Mentor, can you imagine if you are gold? If you have gold, you can imagine how many people will be on gold here and mentorship. You know, even if I have only 20 mentors, mentees, you know, that attention is already taken. And then you have 500 people, or are you talking of 40,000 on a YouTube channel? So guys, you better get ready. I'm telling you, you get ready. There is going to be action packed with evidence. All right, so this is where you'll be able to schedule a session with me, directly with me. So I'm going to be your mentor. You'll see me. You've heard my voice. You've seen my face actually on a YouTube channel, but actually you're gonna see me on Zoom. We're gonna Zoom together. I'm excited. Looking forward to that. Right? I am excited about it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So right, good stuff. Okay. So this is a super trend. Somebody's asking for a super trend. Yeah. That is the super trend. And by the way, let me see. Okay, super trend. You know what I'm gonna do for all of you tonight, because you stay with me thus far? I am going to put this super trend on the Telegram group tonight. Okay, so that you guys can download it. Okay, it's gonna be on the Telegram group tonight. You can download it because you have waited so long. So thank you so much, everybody. No, I remember Omar. No, I remember I'm giving you that for free today. So, courtesy of Omar is the one that deserve, or that I'm giving this super trend indicator out, but everyone could benefit from it. Okay. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tonight. I think we are ending with a good note. Oh, Luna, you haven't seen anything? You haven't seen anything. Wait, and you will say, you know, all of you are special to me. I want to treat all of you as special. But when the door is open to the mentorship program, when the door is open, I'm sure that if you are quick enough, you will get in through the door. But if you are not, I'm afraid you may have to wait a long time. All right, thank you so much, everybody. I think I'm going to have to sign up now. Otherwise, I'm not going to close today. We're going to chat till tomorrow. All right, so I promise you guys, I'm going to put in the... Yes, thank you so much, Omar, for getting that right start of today. So as I said, I'm going to put the indicator right in the Telegram group. So your final opportunity to sign up or to join the group has been sent to you. The indicator will be there tonight. Thank you so much from wherever you are, from Brazil, from South Africa, from Nigeria, from America, from UK, from Dubai, from India, from Turkey. Who else am I missing out? Who else? Uganda. Who else am I missing out? No, I don't want to miss anybody out. Okay, I'll cover everybody together. From everywhere tonight. Thank you so much. God bless you. And I'll chat to you again very soon. Take care, everybody. Good night. Good day.